Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the long frame screw from the center of the stool. Raise the seat support section and insert the long frame screw through the base and lower gas lift. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the frame screw. Next, locate your seat cushion. The arrow indicates the front of the chair. Connect the seat cushion to the frame with the included M6 18 screws. With a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. You're now ready to enjoy your kneeling stool.